Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this crochet bird applique. This is a small size and that one bigger size. Let us start. I am using 3.5 mm crochet hook and worsted weighted yarn. For body I am using brown color yarn. First you make one loop and then you make 5 chain, 3 4 5, and join the slip stitch and form a ring, and then you make here 1 2 chain. This is your first double crochet, and then you make another 12 double crochet into this ring. Seven, 8, 11, and then 12. I am making small size of bird, so I have used double crochet, 12 double crochet. And the bigger size, for bigger size, big size bird, you use treble crochet, 12 to 14 treble crochet. And then here you make one, this is the body part of your bird, and then head part. For head you use 2 chain. This is your first double crochet. In the same stitch you make another more 5 double crochet into the same space. You make 5 double crochet into the same space, same stitch, and then skip the next stitch and join the second stitch by single crochet, and then in the next stitch you make 2 single crochet, and the next stitch you make 1 single crochet. You repeat it all around. And then this is the head part, and then here bird's tail, you make bird's tail. For tail, here you make 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and then here you make 1 single crochet into the in the second chain from your hook, and then in the second stitch you make one half double crochet, and then third stitch you make one double crochet, fourth double crochet, and then last stitch you make here another one double crochet, and join the skip the next stitch and join the second stitch, and then repeat one single crochet into the next stitch. The next stitch you make here two single crochet, repeat it, and here you complete your round, cut the yarn, in the second video I will show you how to make the bird's eyes, beak and other part of the body. Thank you.